Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, it's going to be super quick. I'm installing a tunnel bag. It's the large Arctic Cat bag on a 2012 F1100 Procross. This is the bag. I have the same bag on my other sled. It's actually pretty decent. It fits nicely under the seat here. I think they did change some things though. On mine, I have some sort of like strap mechanism that hooks on to these nipples. On this one, you pretty much just wedge this piece of plastic underneath your tank and your seat right there. And then you're gonna drill 2 holes on the back of the tunnel. The way you find out where to do that is you put it in place. In the bottom of the bag, there will be 2 holes in the corner. And I just used a Sharpie where I need to drill the holes, one there and one there. You wanna be really careful that you're not drilling into your heat exchanger. And then we're gonna be mounting some camlock fasteners here and here. Once you have those on here, you just slip the bag in and twist things and the bag's installed. I do need to take these off yet, so I'm gonna get those off right now. There we go. Okay, so the hardware that comes with this kit is pretty simple. It's just a bolt with this spool that has some channels in here to lock into the discs in the bag, a star washer, and a lock nut. They want you to put the star washer in between the spool and the tunnel, and then put the lock nut on the bottom of the sled. So one thing I suggest doing when your bag is off, I would take the seat off, and then I just put a fuse to link here to a little connector that allows me to put a trickle charger. So now you just take this piece of plastic here and you jam it under the seat. Now we're gonna go in here, lift these up, and there's some holes in the bottom of the bag. I'm going to push the spools through there. And there are these discs like this that have 2 teeth on them. And you just put those on the spool and do a quarter turn. Kind of impossible to see, but here's the hole. Put that over the spool. There we go, locked. That bag's going nowhere. This bag's kind of nice. It has a double zipper here. And what that allows for is if you have extra things, you can kind of expand it. Other than that, you don't really need to use this zipper. It does have a waterproof zipper here in back. So this is sitting a little funny because I don't have anything in it, but that's the Arctic Cat extra large bag for the Procross chassis. All right, that's it for this video. Hopefully this helped you guys figure out if you want to buy this bag. I think they're awesome. I think the factory bag is too small. So yeah, cheers. Stay tuned for more snowmobile content.